Welcome to Dream Drive, best channel for all car shows. We're about to embark on a white-knuckle ride through automotive history, a celebration of 39 cars that didn't just change the game, they reinvented it. Forget your fancy electric doodads and self-driving snooze mobiles. These are the mechanical mavericks, the petrol-powered pioneers that made the world sit up and take notice. We're talking groundbreaking innovations, iconic designs, and enough horsepower to launch a bloody spaceship. So buckle up, petrol heads, because this is going to be one hell of a ride. Affordable, reliable, and built like a tank. Hugely popular, oddly shaped and strangely lovable. Tiny, nippy, and cooler than a penguin in shades. Ludicrous speed, sleek design, silent but deadly. Fuel efficient, reliable, but not exactly thrilling. Powerful, stylish, and as American as apple pie. Timeless design, rear-engined brilliance, a true icon. Practical, affordable, and about as exciting as a beige sofa. Raw power, aggressive looks, the stuff of teenage dreams. Rugged, capable, and ready to tackle any terrain. Innovative, stylish, and those doors. Need I say more? Sporty handling, luxurious interior, a true driver's car. Exotic, powerful, and poster-worthy in every way. Grip for days, rally-bred performance, and surprisingly practical. Technological marvel, blistering performance, a giant killer. Raw power, iconic design, a true supercar legend. Luxurious, capable, and surprisingly good off-road. Lightweight, fun to drive, and puts a smile on your face. Innovative, stylish, and about as French as a baguette. Turbocharged power, rally heritage, and a bit of a hooligan. Aggressive looks, tire-smoking power, a modern classic. Beautiful design, passionate engineering, a true heartbreaker. Elegant, powerful, and shaken, not stirred. Muscular, stylish, and always up for a drag race. Safe, reliable, and about as exciting as watching paint dry. Small, practical, and surprisingly charming. Pocket rocket performance, sharp handling, a true icon. Tough, capable, and as American as a baseball game. Go anywhere capability, legendary reliability, built to last. Turbocharged power, rally-bred handling, a true driver's car. Mind-blowing speed, outrageous engineering, a masterpiece. Revolutionary design, incredible performance, a legend. Opulent, refined, and about as subtle as a gold-plated tank. Stunning design, powerful engine, a true British icon. Stainless steel body, gull-wing doors, and 1.21 gigawatts. Big, bold, and about as subtle as a chrome-plated elephant. Tiny, stylish, and about as cute as a puppy in a handbag. Powerful, stylish, and a true game-changer. Quick, stylish, and proof that electric cars can be exciting. And there you have it, the 39 cars that changed the world. From humble beginnings to high-tech marvels, these automotive icons have left an indelible mark on history. They've shaped the way we drive, the way we think about cars, and even the way we live. So, next time you see one of these beauties on the road, give them a nod of respect. They've earned it. Thanks for watching, you magnificent petrol heads. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more car-related shenanigans.